we talked about for the last 9 months is today. What would you give for the man next to you? What would you give for the man next to you? For your whole life, you'll have that ring. What would you give? Then do it.
We hang together, you trust each other, you love each other, and right now, we're gonna go eat together. This team can be something special, you know it, but we gotta hang together.
Do it. Give it all. Don't do it for yourself. Do it for each other. Do it for your God. Do it for your family. Hey, we don't lose here. I vote on board. Vote on Brad. It's gonna be a vote on. 1, 2, 3.
Really one of the better stories in college football this season.
The pressure on, a wild game. They lit it up in Fresno. You can see the players are hot. What a night. And here we go. This is the game.
Slipping away from the defense and into the end zone.
He'll lob one over the top. End zone touchdown. Greg Watson. Burst back to receive, and he's going to bring it back. Going to the 40, still on his feet. Breaking tackles. Pump fake. He's got his man. The great cut. Into the end zone. Touchdown. Davante Adams. Toward the end zone. Jump ball. Caught. Touchdown. Another one for Davante Adams. Down the sideline, and drilled was Turner.
Strung out and dropped for a loss. Drilled is dropped as soon as he touches the football.
Over the middle and picked off. Deron Smith still going. And are they going to call this a touchdown? They do. Unbelievable.
And Quezada is in for the touchdown. Touchdown, Josh Hargrove.
The Bulldogs celebrate 52-51.
Runs. Dives in, touchdown. Caldwell's to Parker. Touchdown, Fresno State.
To the 30, to the 20. Waller to the 15. The kick on the way, and it was deflected, and it falls up short, no good. And Fresno State has survived. Deron Smith, who was hurt earlier, back in the game, makes the play to win the game.
Southwick fires, incomplete, knocked away from Kirby Moore. Bulldog football. So the Bulldogs can kneel and snap the 7-game losing streak to Boise State.
Carr gonna throw it off to his right, completes the burst at the 10, dodges a tackler at the 5, stretching for the goal line. Did he get in? Yes! Touchdown, Fresno State! Intercepted, picked off. Deron Smith, his 6th of the season. The final kneel down, and there it is! Coach Tim DeRuyter celebrating the Mountain West Championship